Okay guys, so I got the ZZP catback exhaust and it sucked installing it, but it's done finally. I had the exhaust for like 2 months. I got it back on Black Friday sale. This one sucked. Getting that clamp off sucked. It took a while, but finally got it off. And I had to cut that back one off just to get it out because I didn't want to take that whole suspension apart. I'll show you. That one, I didn't feel like taking that whole thing apart. I just put that in, so I just cut it off and pulled it off. But I was in a hurry to install it, so let's go see how it sounds. I know there's some exhaust leaks. I was in a hurry to install it, and plus I installed it while I had COVID, so I was burnt out here and there. This is a cold start. I want to do the shot of the front because it makes the turbo a lot louder now too. So one bolt that was hard to get to was the one back there. I don't want to take the heat shield out, but I should, but it's hot right now. I just got done driving this morning, but there's a bolt back there. You'll see in my other video with the tracks video, but there's a bolt that's hard to get to back there to dismount the Cadillac. But yeah, here she is. I put the heat shield back on, and here's the downpipe starting, and here it goes, continues down here, downpipe, and then to this one, and all the way down to the back. You'll see in a minute, but it was pretty straightforward, pretty easy, except for the back end. And I had to put that adapter in to get rid of the check engine light. but it works pretty good. Comes on not all the time, hardly comes on the check engine light, but that gets rid of the check engine light if you're gonna get this pipe. Let's check it out, the whole rest of the pipe.